Okay, this is journal page 111 and 112. It's a chapter 6 fair game review, and it should go rather quickly. Write the percent as a fraction or mixed number in simplest form. So number one, 25% literally means 25 per 100. So 25% equals 25 over 100, which simplifies to 1 over 4. Number two, 65% or 65 per 100 would simplify to 13 over 20 if you divide top and bottom by 5. Number 3, 110% is 110 per 100, which it should be an improper fraction, meaning more than 1 because it was more than 100%. So don't be worried about that. We can divide top and bottom by 10 here and get 11 over 10, which would also be 1 and 1/10. Either of those would be fine for me. Number 4, 250% is 250 per 100, which is 25 over 10, or 2 and 1/2. Number 5, 15% equals 15 per 100 equals 3 over 20, dividing by 5 on top and bottom. And finally, number 6, 6% is 6 per 100, which is 3 over 50, dividing top and bottom by 2. A store marks up a pair of sneakers 30%. Write the percent as a fraction or a mixed number in simplest form. So number 7, 30% is 30 per 100, which is 3/10. Now we're going from fraction or mixed number back to a percent. So number 8, we have 1/5. I want to get this bottom to be 100 so that it looks like these. So I'll multiply top and bottom by 20 here and get 20 over 100, which is 20%. Number 9, 1/4, multiply top and bottom by 25, and you get 25 over 100, which is 25%. A lot of you probably already knew 1/4 is the same as 25%. Number 10, 21 over 25. If I multiply top and bottom by 4 here, I get 84 per 100, which is 84%. Number 11, 1 and 2/5. Now this 1 means one whole thing, or 100%. So I know it's going to be 100% plus whatever this fraction is. The fraction, if I multiply top and bottom by 20 here, I get 40 per 100. So I would have 1 and 40 100ths, which equals 100% and 40 hundredths, or 4 per 100, 40 per 100, 40%, 140%. I could also turn this into an improper fraction, 5, 6, 7 over 5. Multiply top and bottom by 20 and get 140 over 100 would have worked. Number 12. 2 and 13 over 20. Now on this one, I'll do turn it into an improper fraction just to show that we could do that. 20 times 2 is 40 plus 13 is 53 over 20. Multiply top and bottom by 5 here. And we'll get, oops, a double equal sign here, 100 on the bottom. 53 times 5, well, that'd be a 5, 25, 26, 265 hundredths, or 265%. Number 13, 1 and 1/2. Well, I know the one whole thing equals 100%. I know a half equals 50%, so 1 1/2 is 150%. And finally, you own 3/5 of the coins in a collection. What percent of the coins do you own? So for number 14, 3 over 5 is the same as multiplying top and bottom by 20. I get 60 over 100, which is 60%. Well, I hope this helps. It was just a review. It's all stuff that you should have known. If you have any questions, asking questions. See ya. See ya.